Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that hits home for a lot of people. If you're still losing trades, especially as we head further into the year, I can almost guarantee it's because of a few critical, yet common, mistakes. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to fix them and start trading like a pro. Let's start with the most common one, overtrading without confirmation. I see this all the time. You spot a potential setup, your heart starts racing, and you jump in, afraid of missing out. But trading on impulse without waiting for the market to confirm your idea is a one-way ticket to blowing your account. Smart, profitable traders are patient. They wait for a clear break of structure, a retest, or a specific candlestick pattern that confirms their bias. They understand that it's better to miss a good trade than to take a bad one. Remember, the market will always be there tomorrow. Don't force a trade, let the high-probability setups come to you. Patience is your greatest ally. Next up, let's talk about something that can wipe you out faster than anything else: poor risk management. If you're risking 5%, 10%, or even more on a single trade, you are not trading. You are gambling. It only takes a few consecutive losses to completely destroy your capital and your confidence. The pros think in terms of longevity. They protect their capital at all costs. A standard rule is to risk no more than 1% to 2% of your account on any given trade. This allows you to withstand a losing streak without taking a significant hit. It keeps you in the game long enough to let your winning strategy play out. So, before you enter your next trade, ask yourself, can I afford to lose this? If the answer makes you nervous, your position size is too big. Risk small, stay in the game, and let your profits compound over time. Finally, the mistake that ties it all together: trading without a plan. If you don't have a defined set of rules for your entries, exits, and risk management, you're essentially navigating a storm without a compass. When you trade without a plan, you trade on emotion. Fear makes you close winning trades too early, and greed makes you hold losing trades for too long. Your trading plan is your business plan. It should detail what pairs you trade, what time of day you trade, what setups you take, and how you manage your risk. Even more importantly, you need to journal every single trade. Document your entry, your exit, your reasons for taking the trade, and how you felt. Reviewing your journal is how you learn from your mistakes and reinforce your strengths. Discipline is what separates the consistently profitable traders from the crowd. Trade your plan, not your feelings. So, to recap, wait for confirmation, manage your risk like a professional, and always stick to your trading plan. Fixing these three fundamental mistakes will completely transform your trading results. You'll stop donating your hard-earned money to the market and start building your account with confidence. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And for more content to help you become a smarter, more profitable trader, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.